All right, guys, welcome back. This is a new series that I'm starting, POV drives in the Porsche. The car is basically stock, but today the only performance mod that it has is a Borla exhaust, which I will be showcasing in this video in the POV drive. There's going to be many more POV drives. For example, I actually am probably going to go to a track within 2-3 weeks from now, once my draggy gets here, because the old one that I had broke. But once the new draggy gets here, I'm gonna record lap times with it basically stock, and then I also have ordered a throttle body, headers, and a tune. So I'm gonna put those on and see how the track times differ. And that's just one of many examples. But anyways, I'm gonna shut up now because today I'm showing off the exhaust that was only $1,500, which is crazy for a mid-engine Porsche exhaust. They're typically at least like $3,000-$4,000. This one was $1,500 and it sounds like a supercar. It's absolutely amazing. Link will be in the description if you guys want to buy the exact same exhaust I have. It's absolutely amazing. But yeah, enough of that. Hope you guys enjoy the video.